In the heart of India's history, there stands a queen, not known for vast conquests, but for rebuilding the very spirit of a broken nation. She was neither born into power nor raised in a palace. Yet, she became one of the greatest rulers India has ever seen. This is the untold story of Rani Ahilyabai Holkar, the warrior queen of Malwa, the guardian of Dharma, and the woman who rebuilt India's temples after centuries of destruction. Ahilyabai was born in 1725 in the small village of Chandi, Maharashtra. She wasn't from royalty, she was the daughter of a simple patil, Mankoji Shinde. But destiny had greater plans. Her devotion, intelligence and compassion caught everyone's eye. Malhar Rao Holkar, the powerful Maratha chief, saw her reciting prayers at a temple and chose her as the bride for his son, Khandarao Holkar. Life wasn't easy for young Ahilyabai. Her husband Khandarao died in battle. The grief-stricken widow could have chosen a life of silence. But her father-in-law, Malhar Rao, stood by her side. He trained her in administration, politics, and even military strategy. In 1766, Malhar Rao passed away, and soon after, her son too. With no male heir, the throne of Malwa could have collapsed. But Ahilyabai, against all odds, took charge as the ruler of the Holkar kingdom. As queen, Ahilyabai broke traditions. She held open courts where anyone could approach her with grievances. She wore simple white clothes, lived austerely, and personally checked accounts of the kingdom. Farmers, traders, soldiers all praised her justice. But she wasn't just a ruler, she was a warrior. She led armies, defended her kingdom from neighboring threats, and ensured peace in Malwa. Perhaps her greatest legacy wasn't war, but rebuilding the soul of India. At a time when countless temples had been destroyed, Ahilyabai took it upon herself to restore them. From Kashi Vishwanath in Varanasi to Somnath in Gujarat to Gaya, Dwarka, Ujjain and countless ghats along the Ganga and Narmada. She built temples, rest houses, roads and water tanks, reviving India's spiritual centers and giving shelter to pilgrims. Her devotion made her known as the temple builder of India. For 30 years, Rani Ahilyabai ruled Malwa with wisdom, justice and devotion. She transformed Maheshwar into a cultural capital, inviting poets, saints and artists. When she passed away in 1795, her kingdom mourned as if a mother had left them. Even today, her name is taken with reverence. A woman who rose from an ordinary village girl to a queen who rebuilt India's faith. A warrior, a saint, and a true matriarch of Indian civilization, Rani Ahilyabai Holkar. History remembers kings who conquered lands, but India will forever remember the queen who rebuilt its soul. If you believe Rani Ahilyabai Holkar deserves more recognition, share this story because some legends must never be forgotten.